Hi, my name is Anna, and welcome to the Crochetclubstore channel. Today, I'll show you how to crochet one of the symbols of spring, a clover. It's a simple and stylish element that's perfect for decoration or as a standalone accessory, like a keychain. I'm planning to use it to decorate my mini bag. Don't worry, all steps will be as detailed as possible, so even if you're a beginner, you'll do great. Let's get started. A few words about the materials. You can use absolutely any yarn and the corresponding hook for it. You can even use leftover yarn, as this project requires very little. You will also need a thick needle. So, we will crochet all 4 clover petals and the stem into a magic ring, which we will then pull tight to achieve the desired shape. To create a magic ring, place the yarn tail on your palm, then wrap it around your index finger and make a cross. Insert the hook under the first strand. Grab the second one, and pull the working loop onto the hook. This is how it should look for you. Make 7 chains. Okay, we have 7 chains. The loop on the hook does not count, and we crochet 1 single crochet into the second stitch from the hook. Next, we crochet slip stitches into the next 5 stitches. And now insert hook into the magic ring and make 1 slip stitch. We crocheted a stem. Now, we need to crochet 4 petals into this ring. How to crochet a petal? Make 4 chains. Then yarn over twice on the hook and insert the hook into the magic ring. Grab the working yarn and pull up a loop, so you now have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and crochet 2 loops off the hook. Then yarn over again and crochet 2 more loops off the hook. Yarn over a 3rd time and crochet the remaining 2 loops off the hook. Done. We just made a treble crochet. We need to repeat treble 2 more times. Yarn over twice on the hook and insert the hook into the magic ring. Grab the working yarn and pull up a loop. Yarn over and crochet 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and crochet 2 loops on the hook again. Yarn over and crochet 2 loops on the hook. 3rd time. Crochet, 1 more treble, crochet. Make 4 chains and join them to the magic ring with a slip stitch. This is what 1 clover petal looks like. Now, crochet the second petal the same way. 4 chains, 3 treble crochets, 4 chains, and a slip stitch. So, we have crocheted the second clover petal, and now into the same magic ring, you need to crochet 2 more petals in the same way. Pause the video and crochet the 2 petals on your own. We'll meet right here. So, I crocheted the 4th petal 4 chains and made a slip stitch into the magic ring. Then, I pull the working yarn and cut it. Take the yarn that holds the magic ring and tighten it. This is the cute for leaf clover we've created. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment and share this video with your friends. I would be very happy to see your creations. To do this, tag me in your social media posts and use the hashtag Crochetclubstore. The final step is to hide the yarn ends. And to create the keychain, we will sew on a metal chain with a ring. And here's the finished result, a cute crocheted clover keychain. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations with me. See you next time.